AI writing tools like ChatGPT and Gemini are everywhere right now. But here's the big question: can you actually detect if a piece of text was written by AI or by a human? Today, I'll walk you step by step through a free tool called detecting-ai.com. We'll test it with live examples, I'll show you how the results look, and we'll even try out its humanizer feature to make AI text sound more natural. Let's get started. What is detecting-ai.com? So first, what is detecting-ai.com? It's a free online platform with two main features. 1. An AI detector that checks text and tells you the probability it was written by AI. 2. An AI humanizer that rewrites text to sound more like a human wrote it. The free plan lets you analyze up to 5,000 characters at once and up to 100 scans per day, which is plenty if you're just testing scripts, emails, or assignments. Step-by-step tutorial with live examples. Step 1. Open the detector. Head over to detecting-ai.com and click on the AI detector tool. You'll see a big text box, a V1 and V2 toggle. Always select V2, since it's more accurate, and the Analyze Content button. Step 2. Paste your text. Let's start with an example. Here's a paragraph that sounds very AI-ish, something you'd expect ChatGPT to write. Now we paste it in and click Analyze Content. Step 3. Analyze the results. The detector highlights each sentence with a percentage. In many cases, generic structured text like this gets flagged as mostly AI generated. The overall score appears at the top, like 60% AI, 40% human. Now let's try a second example, something more personal and messy, like this. I filmed today's tutorial during a heavy downpour in Dhaka, and my mic picked up every raindrop. Halfway through, the power cut off, so the last part looks darker. When we paste this into the detector, it usually shows a much lower AI probability, because the personal details and imperfections feel more human. Using the humanizer. But what if your text gets flagged as AI, and you still want it to sound more natural? That's where the AI humanizer comes in. You paste the flagged sentence and click Humanize. The tool rewrites it into something more casual, like this process helps me stay organized when I'm working on videos. It keeps the meaning, but adds a human touch. Just remember, the free humanizer is limited to shorter text unless you upgrade. When we paste this into the detector, it usually shows a much lower AI probability, because the personal details and imperfections feel more human. Pros, cons, and final thoughts. Now, a quick reality check. Detecting-ai.com is simple and free, but it's not perfect. Independent tests show it sometimes underdetects AI content. So if accuracy is critical, like for publishing, academics, or serious editorial work, you might want to use Originality.ai or other premium tools. But for YouTubers, bloggers, or students who just want a quick check, detecting-ai.com is a handy free option. The humanizer is also great if you want to polish AI drafts into something that sounds more authentic. So, that's how you can use detecting-ai.com to check whether your text sounds more like AI or a real human. Now I'm curious, should I compare multiple AI detectors in my next video to see which one's the most accurate? If you'd like that, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if it helped, subscribe to the Tutorial Lab for more step-by-step tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next tutorial.